Auxiliary battery malfunction warning demystified. The auxiliary battery is essential to the running of your Mercedes-Benz C300. Without it, your instrument cluster, dashboard warnings, and other electronic parts like GPS won't turn on, which will affect how you drive overall. A message displaying auxiliary battery malfunction may have shown on your dashboard if you drive a Mercedes-Benz. So let's learn the meaning, causes, and how to fix it. Auxiliary battery malfunction meaning. The auxiliary battery malfunction is an error or warning message indicating an issue with the vehicle's auxiliary battery system, which could be due to a weak or dead auxiliary battery, an unreliable alternator, a broken voltage regulator, or a problem with the auxiliary battery control module. Auxiliary battery problems can cause engine starting difficulties, dim lights, and broken electrical components. Issues with electrical systems and operations, including radio, GPS, PDC sensors, entertainment systems, and start-stop capabilities may occur. Over time, safety features like blind spot assist and lane keeping assist may stop working, and the AUX battery light may illuminate the instrument cluster. Causes of auxiliary battery. Malfunction warning. Faulty auxiliary battery. The primary cause of the auxiliary battery malfunction warning message is a faulty auxiliary battery. Typically, the battery itself will be the problem. Like your car's batteries, the battery needs to be replaced as it gets older. You might be able to tell when the battery is deteriorating from this message before it goes fully dead. Auxiliary battery relay failed. The crucial task of determining when the auxiliary battery needs to be charged rests on the battery relay. The relay transmits the message in the event of a voltage decrease, ensuring that it is recharged. The engine must be operating for this feature to function. When the relay malfunctions, the battery won't continue to charge and a warning light may come on. Bad battery control module. This module is in charge of measuring voltage. Both the primary and secondary batteries are monitored by it. You can observe the auxiliary battery malfunction warning light if this module fails. Moreover, the primary battery warning light may be turned on. Defective poly switch fuse. The poly switch fuse functions similarly to a standard fuse in that it guards against surges and overcurrent. It maintains the electrical flow within acceptable limits. The poly switch fuse differs from a standard automotive fuse in that it automatically resets after a fault is fixed. However, the auxiliary battery malfunction light may turn on if there is a problem with the poly switch fuse. Fixing auxiliary battery malfunction. Check the auxiliary battery. Checking the auxiliary battery to verify if it is dead, weak, or damaged is the first step. It will be necessary to replace the battery if it is weak or dead. If it is damaged, it will need to be replaced or repaired. Examine the charging system. It is important to examine the alternator and voltage regulator in the charging system to make sure they are working properly. The auxiliary battery may not be able to charge adequately and finally fail if the charging device is malfunctioning. Check the auxiliary battery control module. The auxiliary battery's charging and discharging are controlled by the auxiliary battery control module. If the module is broken, it might need to be fixed or replaced. Reset the warning message. You might need to reset the alert message or light to make it go away if the problem has been fixed. Normally, you may accomplish this by disconnecting the battery for a short while or resetting the system with a diagnostic tool. Consult a professional. The best course of action is to get assistance from a qualified mechanic or approved service shop if you're unsure how to tackle the problem yourself or if it keeps coming up despite your efforts to fix it. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.